If your house has been damaged by water, the first step is to call Allied Restoration for a free consultation. Generally speaking, when it comes to water damage, time is of the essence, and it's critical that we get started right away in order to prevent microbial growth or the worsening of water damage. Under your insurance policy, a failure to mitigate or minimize the amount of water damage could result in coverages not being extended. Allied Restoration works closely with insurance companies, agents, and brokers to ensure that all communication your insurance company needs to receive is provided by us. Our water restoration process includes the drying of all areas impacted by water. Additionally, our team is able to close up the walls and restore everything to its original brilliance. By calling Allied Restoration right away, we make sure that any further damage is mitigated and prevented, and we make sure that your family is safe first. If you have water damage in your home, we are on call 24/7, 365 and ready for your call.